today. So today we're doing Mario Kart in VR, but we have two different maps we're gonna use. The first one is this one. So let's drive. There's no music, so I'm gonna put my own music. Okay, let's go. Okay, so far so good. Okay, oh, whoa. What just happened? I just did a full 360. Oh. It's a bit hard. It's a bit hard to drive. I never done this. How do I keep on spinning like that? No, stop it, stop it. That was way too close. No. Why is it so hard to drive in this? Yeah, no, we're going to the next map. Now we're in the next map. Now this has some good music. Look at this. This is literally Mario Kart 8. Okay. What's this? Oh, that's for people to send back. Nice. And anyways, let's drive. Look, item box. Whoa. I probably need to focus on steering. If I was actually had some friends to play this with me, this would have been more intense. Yeah. Hit the ramps. Woo! So we're gonna have to do 3 courses. More iron boxes. Okay, bet. Man, this view is insane. Look, I see Peach's castle. Oh, hit the ramp. Oh, major airtime. Okay. Well, that's the first lap completed. Now on to the second. Unfortunately, I cannot drift, but this is pretty smooth. Driving. No, I'm like in Mario Kart chat. Let's hit another ramp. Woo! It's like I'm in the Mushroom Kingdom. I just realized if this is the Mushroom Kingdom, then why is there a giant track floating in here? Did they just do this for Mario Kart and then they take it down afterwards? What did they do in Mario Party? It's like a giant chess Monopoly board. I'm confused. Oh my gosh. Okay, second lap done. This is the third lap, right? Yeah, this is the third lap. For additional stuff, we're gonna do one more lap. Let's cut. This is like so cool. Look at this. It's like actually Mario. Whoa. Look at that. Yo, it's actually like Mario Kart. I don't know why, but I'm dizzy for some reason already. Okay. It's like taking our views. This is like amazing. There's literally Peach's cat. They like steal the assets from Mario Kart 8. Now obviously this isn't like a one thing. Like this is obviously like not like fully pajam. Because if I went in this course on my Nintendo, it would be way more lighting, way more textures, and it will look honestly better. But this is still like amazing that someone made this. Oh crap, and I won. Let's go, Mario Kart. Definitely nothing bad happened. Definitely nothing bad just happened a couple seconds ago. Let's go. I'm gonna drive off. Okay, what are we doing? Okay, I'm gonna drive off the ledge. Oh, I crashed my car. Yeah, I'm gonna have to see that checked out. Yo, is any Toad here mechanic? I need some help. It's so goofy. Anyways, hope you guys like this video. Make sure to subscribe right here. See another video right here. Or maybe a playlist right here. I'm Gamer Gabe. Bye bye. And wahoo!